Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best repair kit for outside faucets. The yourour RK-17MH Repair Kit Metal Handle. Designed specifically for the Woodford Model 17. If you've been struggling with a leaking or malfunctioning outdoor faucet, this kit might just be the perfect solution to restore your faucet to top working condition. This repair kit is crafted from high-quality metal, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. It comes with a polished brass finish that not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also provides rust resistance, making it ideal for outdoor use where exposure to the elements is inevitable. The metal handle included in the kit offers a sturdy and reliable grip, and the entire package is designed to replace the broken or worn-out parts of your Model 17 faucet. Inside the kit, you'll find everything needed to fix common faucet problems such as water leakage and interrupted flow caused by aging components. This includes the handle screw, metal handle, packing nut, EPDM packing washer, check valve, valve seat rubber, retainer screw, and the RK-17MH float kit. It's important to note that the rod is not included, but all other essential parts are provided to get your faucet working like new again. Safety is a priority with this repair kit as well. The components are soldered using lead-free solder, which guarantees there is no heavy metal contamination during water use. This feature is particularly important to ensure the water remains safe and clean. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the well-thought-out design of the parts and clear compatibility with the Woodford Model 17. Even if you're not an expert plumber, you should find this kit relatively easy to install, which can save you time and money on professional repairs. The compact size of the components, measuring approximately 1.89 inches by 1.89 inches, makes handling and installation manageable without requiring special tools or extensive effort. Additionally, the kit's ambidextrous handle orientation means it can fit most setups comfortably. Yourour stands behind the quality of this repair kit by offering a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. This means you can purchase with confidence, knowing that if any issues arise, support is readily available to assist you. In summary, the yourour RK-17MH Repair Kit Metal Handle is a high-quality, reliable, and comprehensive solution for repairing the Woodford Model 17 outdoor faucet. Its durable metal construction, complete set of essential parts, lead-free safety, and ease of installation make it the best choice for homeowners looking to fix their outside faucets effectively and efficiently. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a durable and dependable repair kit for your outdoor faucet, the yourour RK-17MH is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and critiques. See you next time.